All right, winter's around the corner. Everything's freezing up now these days. So in order to protect your actual faucet, there's a protective way on it. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up something that just got in the mail. Looks like a little sack right here. It comes with a little zip, Velcro. We're gonna set it up and I'm gonna show you how it works. The way it works, basically, you got this Velcro here, all right? You guys can see it. So what you want to do is wrap this thing around, put it in here, wrap it around, all right? It goes underneath. You guys can see that. This goes underneath. Wrap it around here, tie it down, tie as much as you want, and then you have this reflector, so you can see it at night. Any cars or anything, or anybody walking by, you'll see the reflectors, and you know exactly where it is. So at night, if you want to turn it on or something, bring a flashlight, you'll see it there. You'll be able to see it at night. So very simple, very creative way to cover your protect your faucets.